Hey guys, so today I'll be sharing this professional styling iron from Irresistible Me Diamond. So this was sent to me, so I want to try it. It's a professional iron for to straightening your hair. So it came in this cute box you're seeing here.
The diamond and tourmaline technology will protect your hair and keep all the natural hair oils, color and moisture in, leaving your hair healthy, shiny and frizz-free. The styling will last longer against humidity and everyday stress. And also this hair straightener is very lightweight and it heats up in a minute. You can use it for your natural hair as well. It makes your natural hair sleek and smooth.
With some buttons here to regulate it. And this to plug it. So that is all. I want to try it for you guys to see. Guys, I'm so disappointed. I wanted to straighten this part of my hair with it for you guys to see, but I just find out that the adapter, you see, is not like the one we use in France here, which means I will have to go and buy something that is compatible with this. Then I can plug this inside before plugging it, because in France here, this is you can see in France here, this is the kind of fuse that we use. It's not the same thing. I think this one is in the UK. I don't know where they use this. You see the difference. This is the one. You see the difference. This is the one we use here in France, and this is the one that came with this hair straightener, which means I cannot use it. I'm so sorry, but I just want to share this with you guys. So I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. And I'm going to try it in another video just for you guys to see. Since I couldn't do it today, I'm going to try it in another video, because I know their product, Irresistible Me product, are so good. They are very good. This is not the first time I'm revealing their product, and I know this hair straightener will still be the same because all their products are good. So I will try it. Like I said, I'm going to try it in another video to show you guys. If you're interested, I'm going to leave the link of it on the description box. I'm sorry that I couldn't use it just because of this. I could not plug it. So if you're in France, if you are buying it, you should know that this is how it looks. Or in your country, if you use this kind of plug, you can use it, but there's something you can plug on it to convert this, something like that, my hubby said. So I'm going to look for it and buy it so that I can plug this to, I can plug it into this for me, so that I will be able to use this. So like I said, in another video I'm going to try this out for you guys, but I'm really sorry. I was really in a hurry to like try this out, but I know that is of high quality. You can see it's very gorgeous. I like the color, I like the size, and it has low heat, it has high heat, you understand? So it's very good. I will see if there is any discount code. If there is any, I'm going to leave it on the description box as well, and I'm going to leave the link to this one. And they have some other ones on their website. I choose this. They have different type. You can go to their website and choose the one you want, and their prices are affordable. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys understand, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button. Catch you guys very soon. Bye. Ciao. I'm really sorry guys. All right, bye guys. Bye.